Let us do Supta Konasana, reclining angle pose. From Shavasana, bring both your feet together, hands close to the body. Come to halasana. From halasana, hold your big toes and stretch both your legs outward, keeping them on the ground. Breathe in and out normally. Hold for a certain number of breaths. To relax, bring both the legs together back to halasana. Release the hands and slowly raise your legs up to sarvangasana. Bend the knees and bring them close to the chest. Slowly drop the hips down and drop the legs down. The counter pose is Matsyasana.